Thank you so much for that introduction, Jamie. My name is Jasmine, and I'm going to be talking about gesturing. Now, gesturing is really interesting. It's actually one of the first ways that many of us learned how to communicate. Before we were even able to verbalize, we were able to use our hands to communicate. And some babies are even able to communicate using sign language, saying simple things like more, please, and even thank you. So it is something that comes naturally to a lot of us, but it's also a skill because gesturing can be used. It's used to display enthusiasm and energy. It's used to draw attention as well as tell a story. When I say up versus when I say up and I gesture upwards like that. It can also be used to build trustworthiness and make you more compelling. However, of course, like anything else, it's important that you use it appropriately. And this is really twofold. First and foremost, it's really important that when you're using hand gestures, that you're doing it in a way that is not distracting from the overall message that you're talking about, because distractions will definitely draw away from the message, which is totally defeating the whole purpose. Now, the second aspect of being appropriate is whenever you're working with individuals from different cultures, go ahead and take some time to research what is appropriate in that culture. Because whereas a firm handshake might be very appropriate and show respect in one culture, it actually is offensive in another culture where a flimsier handshake shows respect. And this is just one of many, many ways that gesturing can vary from culture to culture. So in summary, gesturing is something that comes naturally, but it's also a skill to be developed. It's something that can add to your message, but it can also detract from your message. It's important to use it appropriately and to integrate it into your professional career. Thank you so much. I'm now going to pass it on to Alex, who is doing sound and personal space.